Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix your Samsung keyboard in Samsung mobiles if it is not working properly, if it mic not working or language is not changing, you are finding difficulty in typing, it is very laggy or not doing such things. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video for more videos. So let's start. Go to settings in your smartphone, then swipe down. You can see there is a app option, apps. Click on it and just type here Samsung keyboard. If here it is not showing, then press back and then go to general management, and here is the Samsung keyboard. First, just you have to here is the list and default. If it is not working, then simply, if you have another keyboard, then first go enable this features and see there is no Samsung keyboard. Friends, you can see the Gboard is applied, and if you want to just go to Samsung keyboard, then simply go to the settings and then go to general management, then keyboard list and default, and then off this setting, and you can see the Samsung keyboard is applied, Google keyboard is disabled, and then you have to just press back and simply you have to restart this phone. It will definitely fix your problem. If your keyboard is crashing, your Samsung keyboard is crashing or having another problem, it will fix. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.